Well, I guess I'm not going to eat my toast for breakfast while I'm recording this. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. There's a product out today called Keto Diet Secrets PLR. So keto is ketamine. Diet is restricting the gluten that goes into your diet, which causes your body to basically eat the fat in its body and dramatically increases the fat loss that you would have, the weight loss. And then so that's going to be a universal kind of thing. It's one of the big hot topics for a few years now. It's been going on. So PLR product. I'm on this particular screen, so I like to start at the finish, which is it's as I was there a second ago, it was I think $7.62. So you can afford this product. It's a PLR product, which means you can resell it. And here it is. Sometimes we get into a lot of the all the things you can do. And I did a podcast where I talked a lot about how to transform it to make it your own product. I'm going to leave that alone right now and just talk about the easy way, which is what they've got right here. So let's take a quick look at this. Again, you spent $7 on this, right? It's $7.62. Here's how easy it can be to have your own PLR product. Look at this. Download it, put your name on it, and I'll add, you got to change the payment link to go to your PayPal account. So you got to set up the link properly, upload it to your server, and then start publicizing it. And you're making instant sales after the first. So say it's $7 and you sell it for $7. Then the first sale covers all your costs, and every sale from there on in is 100% profit. So what did you do? You put your name on it, which I'll bet you can do in 10 seconds. If you do this, the first time you do this, there'll be some hunting around to figure out. Sometimes they just go change the email address for the PayPal. Sometimes they make you go to PayPal, create the link. And that's a bit more complicated, though. You can Google it. You can get YouTube videos. It is straightforward. It's a lot easier once you've done it a few times. But even the first time, I'm gonna give you an hour. I'm gonna say an hour because I'm really dumb. And the first time around, it might have taken me a while to figure out how to do this and get inside and follow the instructions. Then the next time you do it, it's like a 1 minute thing. And you feel like an idiot for taking an hour the first time. It is one of those things where you hunt around the first time and then you're like, oh, I got it. So name, PayPal account, upload it. So now you can provide it from your link, say on a page, and you have a link that says click here to get it, that kind of thing. And it's as easy as that. You're making instant sales. It can be that easy to sell a PLR product. And in this case, it's a Keto Diet Secrets. So it's going to be in demand for the next 10, 20, 30 years. People are always going to be interested in losing weight. People are always going to be interested in secrets, diet, secret diet, special diet. Oh, it does things, you lose weight faster than if you just dieted and cut out stuff yourself. And you can still eat steak and cheese and things like that. So it's got all the things to it. So I'm going to describe it as your traditional, typical kind of PLR product. It's got an ebook that's the Diet Secrets. It's got the sales copy of the page you're going to sell it from, a sales video, the graphics, the banners, email swipes, the mini sites all put together, and legal pages and social media graphics and so on. And I ignore the cheat sheet, mind map, resource report. That's kind of like, But the one thing I will say, there's nothing wrong with starting out this way. And you can quickly create a product from a product. You don't have to change anything in the product itself. What I said in the podcast is, once you've done that and you've successfully done that, really the best, say this fellow sell fire launchers, say they sell, 500, 1,000, 2,000 copies of this. When you go to Google, if everybody lists it, there's 2,000 different guys you're competing with that all say Keto Diet Secrets. So you change the name of the title, and now it's Keto Explosion. Now it's Lose Weight with Keto. It's a million other things that are going to come up with different keywords on Google, and you're now number one, as opposed to 1,800 out of 2,000, and nobody ever searches beyond the first page or two. So you want to dominate in your niche. And the next thing is you need to make it different. So it comes as a complete PDF, but you can edit it. So you get in there and you create an introductory page. You're the author. Wouldn't you write a page saying, hey, this is about keto. It's going to help you with your diet. You're going to love the extra stuff it does. Don't go too far or it'll start eating into you. Whatever you got to say. And then at the end of it all, you're going to write a conclusion one. And not just a conclusion one, which, hey, you learned how to do blah, 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 blah. But also, for more information, check out affiliate link. That's the link to a ClickBank product, a JVZoo product, a Warrior Plus product that will make you more money. If it's a $50 ClickBank product and you get 75%, that can make you about $37.50. If it's a $20 ClickBank product, you're making an extra $15 on a $7 PDF. That really adds to the $7 sale. You bought it for $7.62 and you're selling them for $7 all the way through. This really adds to your income. So it's a pretty simple thing to do, a page at the front, page at the back, introduction and description of what you just read. And if you wanted to go the full 9 yards, you might do some research. Maybe you're into keto. Maybe you know something about what to watch out for, and you do an extra chapter on possible negative things, and add it into the book. Easy as that. It's now your very own book with no competition. So check that out. $7.62. The link's in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You'll see a bit of a quick description of what's in it. Again, it's pretty straightforward, kind of a weight loss thing. There's some bonuses and it's right there. So, and then you click the product box and you can grab it for $7.62. Click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Go check out Keto Diet Secrets, PLR. Enjoy. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com.